How to title Airbnb. Your Airbnb title is the first thing guests see. Let's learn how to craft one that gets clicks and bookings. Airbnb titles should be under 50 characters. Short, clear titles perform better and avoid being cut off. Include your location, or landmark. Gas search by area, so phrase like stops from Ho and Old Quarter makes your listing stand out. Add your property's best feature, pool, balcony, garden, or design style. So for example, boutique villa with pool, Hanoi Center. Adjectives help but don't overdo it. One or two words like cozy loft or modern apartment are enough. Avoid vague or overloaded titles. Don't mislead guests. If you say old quarter, make sure it's really there. The best Airbnb titles follow the formula: property type, key feature, location, and then that is how to title your Airbnb listing.